Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have an unboxing from Nitro Autolab. This is a giveaway that I won. I do enjoy winning free stuff, but I also like seeing other people collecting in the wild on YouTube. Now this is my Hot Wheels channel. He probably doesn't know what this channel is because I entered on my main channel for my gaming channel. So when I started collecting maybe a couple months ago, I made a YouTube channel just focused on Hot Wheels and other diecast vehicles that I'm going to be collecting. But yeah, here's a sticker from Nitro Autolab. So thanks again to you. And also we have this wonderful Toyota 4Runner right here. And this is one of the hardest ones to get in this car culture set. I don't have any of the other ones. I did see some of these in the wild, but I was mainly focused on finding one of these. And now I have one to put in my collection. I try to collect one of each car out of each set, but sometimes it can get very pricey and I don't want to like buy a whole set at all. But shout out to Nitro Autolab for this wonderful giveaway. We had some issues with UPS yesterday. This ended up being dropped off at my neighbor's house. I kind of looked at his front porch and I was like, that was exactly what his front porch was kind of like. So I went over this morning and I got it. So Nitro Autolab, thank you again. You did get the address right. It was more of a UPS driver issue, but thank you again for this giveaway. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I will be doing a giveaway also for a Nissan Silvia Fast and the Furious. Still to come. I'm hoping to do that at the end of this month. I've been very busy, so yeah, stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys hit or comment, enter down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.